morning, kind of. I think this is the latest start I've had on a day in a really long time. It is almost noon. Oh, it is noon now. It is Saturday. I have today off and I want to go walk, get some coffee, and then I was going to attempt to do a little bit of Christmas shopping, maybe in downtown a little bit, so I thought I'd bring you along. I'm sorry for not posting a video yesterday on Friday. It's the first time I missed a video for Vlogmas. I filmed the video and I just wasn't feeling it. It kind of felt very like haphazard and just kind of like thrown together. And so I just decided to skip it. You know what? It's the first one I've missed in 2 weeks, so I thought I'd let it slide. But like I said, I'm excited to have you join me today. But before we get going, let me show you our Christmas tree, because that's what I did yesterday, was like decorate the Christmas tree. So let's show it to you. This is the Christmas tree. I added some more lights. I've got a little Merry Christmas up top, and I added all of these like round ornaments. I got some ornament hangers and some more lights, and so I took everything off and redecorated our whole tree. I think it's looking pretty good. Also, I tried out a new hair tool today. It was the hair tool that was from the Boxy Luxe box this month. It was like a little portable straightener, like a tiny little one. And I thought it might be interesting to try curling my hair with it. One, it took a very long time. Two, I'm not quite sure how I feel about it yet. It's a little bit tighter of a curl than I normally do. I normally go for like a loose wave. But I figured, you know what? Let's give it a try. It's a little frizzy actually, which is kind of strange, but let's give it a try and I'll wear it throughout the day. And once I style my hair, it's staying like this for like the next 3 days. So we'll see how it wears. All right, bub, come on. Gotta take the dog to go to the bathroom before I leave, obviously. I'm walking to eat coffee, but realized I am walking around in mid-December in Minnesota with a jean jacket on. That is like unheard of. I don't always want to wear a giant jacket, so sometimes I'll wear like a light coat if I'm not going to be outside a lot, but literally all I'm doing today is going to be outside, which is also crazy for mid-December in Minnesota. But so I just looked at my watch. It is 39 degrees. We are almost at 40 degrees, people. This is so crazy. I have an entire train car all to myself, I guess. That's pretty cool. My hands are, I feel like they're not very cold, but they don't really want to move. So I feel like I kind of need to defrost a little bit. I ended up swinging by the Target Field like amphitheater area. They were doing a movie. Some of my friends were hosting it, like an outside movie. in December in Minnesota. That's pretty much as Minnesotan as you can get. And so I swung by there for a little bit, had some popcorn and hot chocolate, and walked back home. And now I feel like I just want to like take my shoes off and like relax a bit. So my outing today was kind of a fail. I wanted to go out to get some Christmas presents and was like hoping to find some like fun local stuff downtown, and kind of struck out. I did go to the Mall of America yesterday, and they have this cool little like shop area that has a bunch of local shops in it. So I ended up getting a few things there, but I still need to do quite a bit of Christmas shopping. But something that is new at the Mall of America that's super fun. So they opened a Walgreens like earlier this month or maybe last month. Kind of weird to have in the mall, right? But in the Walgreens, there's a Birchbox store. Now, I've never had Birchbox before. I never subscribed to Birchbox. But I mean, it's like Ipsy. It's like another fun, like small sample size subscription. But they have, in the Birchbox store, you can build your own Birchbox. That's so cool. There was like 10 products that you could choose from and put them in your box. And then the box was $15. But they were doing yesterday, and I think maybe this whole weekend, they were doing like 25% off at the Birchbox store. Now that was like for the Birchbox or for like other full-size products. So I decided to pick up a Birchbox for myself. And then I also put together one to like split up for presents and stuff. But I want to show you what I got because I think it's really interesting. So this is the little box here, which I'm guessing this is like the December box look. It's kind of festive. And I got 5 different things. This is something that I've been wanting to try for a long time. It's the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. And I've heard great things about this, and I feel like this is a pretty good travel size, and so I really was excited to give this a shot. Then I also got this Derma-E Hydrating Night Cream with hyaluronic acid. I'm interested in this. I haven't tried anything from Derma-E before. I think maybe I've tried something like really small, but I feel like that's something I could use during the winter time. I also picked up this little lock of color. I think that's what this is called, right? LOC. I forget what LOC stands for. I'm pretty sure it's lock of color or something. Lots of color. I don't remember. But it's like this shimmering eye paint. What are the liquid shimmer shadow? And it's in the shade Eclipse. That's the tiniest writing ever. This is actually their full size, which is nuts, but it's like a really pretty like shimmer shadow. Thought it was cute. Then I also got this Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl. I think that's what that's called. Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Diamond Dust. I've heard really great things about the Laura Geller highlights like this, and I haven't tried any, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to pick up and try. And then the last thing is this like lip balm. It's from Aero, and it's the, or Aero Boost, something. Color enhancing lip balm. This is just like a clear lip balm, but then it's supposed to make your lips like, it's supposed to leave like a really nice pink tint on your lips. So I'm kind of interested. I like lip balm, so I want to try it on. Let's see. I don't have anything, well, I put lip gloss on a while ago, but it's been a while. Let's see. It kind of has like a lime scent. I can't tell if it's changed. Only you can, I guess. I can't see myself right now. I thought that was really fun. It's a nice little like treat. They also have a ton of like full-size products that they would sell in Birchbox or like have in Birchboxes. And so I just thought that was really fun. And I'll probably end up putting those things in my stocking. I do both mine and my husband's stockings, and I kind of like put things I want in my stocking or like things that I would like kind of need. And so, yeah, kind of fun. But I do need to actually run some errands really quick. I am hosting a Christmas party tomorrow for our coffee shops. We're doing a big like barista Christmas party, and I'm super excited, but I need to go get a few things for that. Most of it I'll be picking up tomorrow, but there's a few things I'd rather get today. So off to Target again. All bundled up again. Heading to go see some fireworks for Holidazzle. home. Sorry, it's loud in here, but it's cold outside, so we have the heater on. But it's been a long day. I'm ready to go to sleep. There was things that I wanted to get done today that I didn't get done, but you know what? It happens. But I'm feeling ready for tomorrow. I'm excited to celebrate with our staff tomorrow and have a good time with them. But I'm gonna edit this video and then go to sleep. So, good night. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And until next time, bye guys.